Volcano at the Volcano Winery.
The unveiling here, yeah. They're
going to be harvesting these Pinot Noir grapes.
This dry weather here that we've had lately is really good, you know. It's really been kind of setting. I'm getting the sugars up there. Yeah. So, what's unique kind of about Volcano is to grow grapes here is yeah, it's like the mainland kind of, you know. We have a little bit uneven ripening because the day lengths don't change as quickly as they do on the mainland at the higher latitudes. But yeah, once a year, close to a little early this year. You know, here we are. Last day of August. Usually it's into September a little bit more, but that changes yearly. Starting the process here. The grapes come in from the vineyards in these buckets, and then we go ahead and Kean's receiving them and weighing them, getting the weights on them. And then we put them in these troughs right here and go ahead and wash them down. Then Kyle's scooping up into the crusher destemmer. When he gets a load, he'll go ahead and crush and destem those, and they'll come out the other side over here. And then the guys, we'll get a couple guys sitting on either side there, and they'll separate the stems out. And then the grapes and the skins, the seeds will collect in there. From there, they'll take them into here where they'll ferment. And this is where the grapes will ferment for a few weeks on the skins and the seeds. And after that, after a few weeks, it'll get pressed. Our press isn't set up right now, but it's just a basket press the grapes go into, and then we just press it down and get the juice off of it, and then it'll age for a couple years after that.